What is that?
This is the latch for the tailgate.
You broke it?
No, Shannon broke it yesterday.
Ooh, I'm big and strong.
So we're gonna replace that with a
Here
metal
goes Grandma
one.
walking.
Metal one.
We went from plastic to metal.
Hi.
She's doing her daily trash duties.
So we need the T30 and a 10 millimeter.
What's a T30?
This is a T30 right here. Take that, and you take these off of here. You gotta take these off.
What are these?
These screws here.
Oh, how many are there?
Right now I see 3 of them, but when I get this off, we'll see. There should be more. Yeah, there should be.
Why are you using a ratchet instead of a screwdriver?
Then you drop that off. See, knock that dirt off of there. Someone was hauling blocks in there. So actually we have 6 total.
So that's what a T30 looks like. It's not a typical Phillips.
T30, okay. Now this is loose, you pop that up and away. Oh, there it is. There it is. Okay. Now, what that dude said, you pop them clips up off of here. Okay, you pop that clip up off of there. Or is it this way? Yep, that's the way you pop that clip up. Pop that off of there.
The rod.
And you pop that clip up over here.
I think that's from the outsides.
And then what you do is pop that rod up. See that rod right there? I'll try to get you a good vision of it.
So what was the problem with the thingy? Do we know yet?
No, we don't know yet. Then
you take those bolts off with the 10 millimeter.
Yeah, hopefully we got one in here. That would be really frustrating if there wasn't one.
That's why you should keep your tools nice and organized like mine.
Yeah, that's right. So we did locate a tin. Okay. And then just loosen that up. So the new one will not have the nuts with them. So I'll hold it from the bottom. And then, but we also gonna have to change that key lock on there.
Why?
Because that new one didn't come with one. So hopefully that's easy to change.
It's just clipped on.
Yeah, it just clips on there. Okay, so now we take this one here off and just put it right there.
We got to keep that, don't we?
Yeah, that we keep. Then this should just drop right on out. Okay, like that.
No maneuvering or anything, it just dropped out?
It just drops right out like that. Okay, and so this is here. So what we're gonna do is just pop this out like they got it in there. See, they didn't show this on the other YouTube. We'll try to show more if we can. You pop that clip out of there, like so. And I'm thinking that should just drop right out.
We're hoping.
Oh, no, it pulls like that. See, it pulls up, not push up, pulls up. Okay. And let's do the same with this one. Just pull it out. And they got grooves in there, so it only goes one way. You can only put it in one way. So, and then we'll push that back in there. Okay. Okay, was is that the right way?
I think so. Is it upside down?
Okay. We have that all together. This is the old one. See where she broke it right there? The
I
whole
was
handle.
strong arming it.
So,
That's what happens when you buy junk, Dad.
so now that we're gonna put it back together. So we just take it back in there and slap. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. You go up and around like that. See how it comes right back through there? Then you put that back in there like a A. Put that back on them 2 bolts like that. Okay. There we go.
Oh, he's riding his motorcycle.
I'm gonna take my big bike out today too. The big Ego. Yeah, maybe he's coming over to mow our grass. And then we'll push it back down. That's one. That's really an odd way they do that. Put them on that clip like that, you know.
I don't know. I guess if it makes sense, it makes sense.
Oh, put that back down in there. Then I push that down in there. Go a little bit over in there. Just to make sure. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is close it up and try it before we go any step farther to see if our thing worked. I did everything, right? Okay, let's see what happens. Beautiful. Looks like brand new.
Does it work better than the other one too?
Yeah, I think so. Sweet. Keep trying. Yeah, Shanna's gonna try it now and see. Does it work better? It's better than before though, ain't
It's
it?
better than before it actually does it.
Yeah, okay. Alright, so we just put the back on there and then...
Is it hot out here, Pearl? After this, are we gonna go level the building?
I guess. Alright, that's how she's done.